share the General Secretary of NDC, Fifi Fiabekwete. The caution, you're the man, Attorney General.
If it's to be done, it must be done well. And to be done well means it has to be thoroughly done, proper due diligence. The job must be properly done. And you are the lawyers, so you should know. If you say righteousness and justice should be the foundation, it must be. So you cannot in one breath be making proclamations that are condemning those who are on the other side, while you yourself are part of the system that wants to subvert the same laws and the same constitution, the same rights things from being done. So you should be the first point of making sure things are done properly. That's the only way we can establish a society that will be truly great and strong. We at the level of the party are picking the signals. And the signals we are picking is this: that many among us, in spite of the Father, please, and the pressure coming from the public that the things have to be done properly, punishment must be exacted, and things have to be done. Some among us are busy trying to cut deals with people who are supposed to be prosecuted. Some among us are trying to cut deals. Some are becoming conduits through whom pressure is being brought to bear on people who are supposed to do what is right. I'm not mentioning names. A time may come where we may have to. A word to the wise. Some know themselves. Those who are. We are hearing your names. Think again. Because.
Okay, Commander.
Asema Fifi Kwete akain. Emu edupa. As a law student, so udi asem to Nutsu so ana commander so a na wonyina so nti na okata sa okay ana nyesa
sure
and then no mampeni eye ni hyiemu no na meti no si anka wo so Fifi Kwete no bayina no no ani program ndo bekasa but hono menyaa anka nko Fifi Kwete because media no any Ghana man no epese one omu years deals no
okay
from the NDC lawyers are omu year whatever is going on me ameti hey me fa me zambo abansika me go wi abale bibia na se wo akoye bibi na abansanka when wa waseba but Nutsu akasa and then the New Republic or say Mama tout 8-month successes we are resetting Ghana a hona sem no okay obuzia Ashofo monimwa makachere wo say ene under the 8 months of President Mahama Odaseni was school did once a day.
Oh, not true.
Monsieur did want assembly maker obra maba ma repeat
school bay
who kase min kasa kan tu na min kasa
can ye
go school me what percent le go we eat 3 times as a young boy. Adusia seneti na won didi anopa o me didi kwa na between 11:30 to 12 wo didi anu anu wo didi bio wo didi awia wo didi anajo
secondary
this is like a semi-tertiary
okay,
teacher training college
okay
and it's a concern 8 months of your government asemba kono no they tell me last week Bloomberg catcher you say you see the no you see the tiase is the worst performing currency under his watch. And then uko domwa, and then mo wasoro. Uko kan, then this for say, and ya chichi dollar no, and I see the no, I want the aba. But when you go to the market, are the prices the same? They are not.
It's above money.
And me godum na koshe de koso.
Emodi
Nyame se godum na koshe de koso. De to so biom obenyini. And then what is send this for LBGTWSYZ? What be that? And some men and John, Sam George, and Ate George, me and my brother. Eti simpie so, ejina bonkoso a etu nyum. Air Force President Kufuor say, "On fa ninsa enkoto ase." And the President Mama Baya we dwene free hu. What is Omuka LPG to WSYZ? And you see, we need to know because Asafono are disappointed. They are disappointed of the president. Say, Anamone Kasana Moka in opposition against the LBG. Whenever Kawanutu. Ana Nanavoni and Solomonti, Onka Ubu. Ebium, Eka Galamsey Masem. Galamsey Masemana Yekano. Woko Mikrom, Ewa Inchia, Brusa. Yese Yango Wow. Enya Gordian Yeka. The extent of the devastation of our forest and our water bodies under President Muhammad's watch, or every state of emergency, is a concern. It's a major concern to all of us. Namakos Wakasa. Sebubi, who have become vanguards to champion the safety of this country. Erastus and other colleagues of yours. Amud jinemu amud tunyum kasa say President Mama show yo niame koso no enyo ene wasisi na so also to me that the state of emergency into wasisi na so or no another article 256 of the constitution yamani to me say ye japade nyina ehye form e wo so ase e wo som or no na ye to me na chade nsam and is a money say ya so bono ye de bebono he has done nothing in the fight against Galamsey. And now, Miss Delroy, the situation is worse than now. The situation that Galamsey fight is worse than now. And then you look at these innocent people have lost their lives. Because cooperative mining. You cooperative mining because Ashanti Gold for concession be mine this youth and money. And we lost these innocent lives. And then you free one. May they also rest in peace. You're free win. So, me President Mama, such state of emergency, and I said here, so be declare through the support and advice of the Council of State. And Article 91.
Do you think it's a state of emergency to me deal with Galamsey?
Me say, I bet me deal.
How?
Me be a president. Me na minchano. He knows what to do. He knows what to do. The Council of State must advise him, go to Parliament within 7 days, he will pass. You have 3 months and declare a war on Galamsey. The amo yenu kukwasa because no one party for the ADD. Who the own can win be. When you guys say for the Galamsey. And who are 4 more?
And our financier.
Oh no, this and who the war 4 more? Now would do what bear. But the situation of Galamsey is so disturbing. Commander, and now under President Mama's watch, Ghanaians are now what? If any say, been declared. If any saying, 48,000 have been displaced, and then Cote d'Ivoire 13,000 plus. Cote d'Ivoire. Or no one catch you bole. That is what is going on. Over the time, did you experience something like this? Did you? They asked him that question, and he was fidgeting. It was not straight.
It's not because of the sensitivity of it here.
I was so conform a hundred free. Me the subono banu. Said ya bibia na mo de ko shaku fa do kon no. Me the subono me the banu. Refugees under President Muhammad's watch. Ghanaians have been declared refugees in their own country. Look at what is happening.
Okay.
Look at what is happening. And the research and now you are doing selective arrest and prosecution of opposition members. We have seen nothing wrong. It is Adrina or see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. But this is what is happening. So the selective justice. Select that you make us. Means now and can say Sebi, your party nimba di President Mama tema mefuaso. Know that. Sebi, President Mama will be busu ma mepe.
Okay.
Because Sebi ni shoe no sheno, me 9 to minkum. And the nyama we be kasa dia 10 or emfata no, dia jijis wo. What you say? But the all year enye wakata nani wasi na so eni na wakana no tum na oye na ye be ka kire no.
But I say.
Yen suro no, ye be ma ka kire no.
Maybe.
We see me nua ba akumanchia na emfata e friend se wonuku.
Okay.
Or Chito Awudome. Chairman so wonuku. Billy. Oh, what you pa city.
And then buy Ghana for your mojuma. Mo yimedi.
But I say
you sack them.
A good morning, come out Eja Noah. Mechiane Alopay. Me did Agbesi is your channel out for the Adom TV.